Hello everybody, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today I will be talking about Original Penguin Reserve. This is an Oriental Fougere, and at Fragrantica they said top notes are citruses, middle notes, spicy notes, and in the base woodsy notes and amber. And I didn't think that was a very complete breakdown of the accords. Everything seemed to be pretty much grouped together. So I looked at base notes, and at base notes, they gave a more complete listing here of notes. They say in the top, Italian, mandarin, juniper berry, red grapefruit, amaro, siciliano, bitters accord. Middle notes, now these are the spices, cardamom, clove, and nutmeg. And in the base, sandalwood, sea moss, musk, and amber. Now this one seems to me with this fragrance, Original Penguin was going for almost like an evening wear fragrance, something a little bit more sensual and alluring than the other two. You definitely do get a citrus opening. The mandarin grapefruit comes out. Lots of spices here. I think mostly cardamom. I'm not sure about the clove. Possibly a little bit of nutmeg. And I'm not sure what this Amaro Siciliano Bitters Accord is. But there does seem to be something in here that's a little bit unique. So maybe that was just Original Penguin's way to try to make this fragrance a little bit different from the other fragrances in this category. It does seem to me that citrus, spicy, woodsy fragrances are rather common and popular right now. So they try to come up with a little twist here. So I think that does kind of give it a slightly different smell. I would say for the most part, this fragrance doesn't really seem to be top of its category. I would say it kind of has almost like a cheap knockoff of a better fragrance feel to it. A lot of other great fragrances that I would probably wear ahead of this one, probably something by Yves Saint Laurent or Chanel or something like that. This one, well, a couple things. First of all, it just doesn't seem to perform very well. I'd say after about an hour, most people will have trouble smelling this one. And also, it just, the ingredients, the blend or something, it just doesn't seem to be quite up to par with other fragrances in its genre. So let me go ahead and give it some scores here. The smell, I will give it 6 out of 10. At first, when I smelled this one, I thought maybe this was my favorite, but after wearing it a couple times, I'm still maybe leaning a little bit more towards the original Penguin fragrance in terms of the best smelling one. This one's definitely a better fragrance than Rocks, the green bottle, I think, but I don't know. I just don't know if I would wear this one if I had a bottle over other fragrances that have that spicy, citrus, woodsy accord. Projection longevity, 5 out of 10. Really, after an hour or two, it's pretty much turned to a skin scent, so not very good choice if you're looking for something that's going to last a while. Uniqueness, I'll give it 6.5 out of 10. It does kind of have a familiar smell to it. I think the cardamom with the citrus and the woods kind of give it a familiar kind of a smell, but there's a couple other things in here like the Amaro Siciliano Bitters Accord, perhaps, or maybe the nutmeg. They give it a slightly unique feel. But I'll say Uniqueness, 6.5 out of 10. Versatility, I think this is more of a fall fragrance. A little bit too weak for the winter time. A little bit too spicy, I think, maybe for summertime, but you could probably wear it in the warmer weather. I'll say a 6 out of 10 there. Price point, $36.95. Will probably get you 100 mLs, or maybe even less if you shop around. But at eBay, I think $36.95 was one of the prices I saw. So that's not too bad for a large bottle. 9 out of 10 for price point. So these are good bargain price fragrances, these Original Penguin fragrances. But overall, this one didn't quite work for me. 6 out of 10. Nice effort, though. It had the nice citrus, nice spice, and some woods there, but something about the blend, it was just a little bit under par for me for some reason. Maybe just some of the inferior ingredients, or maybe one of the spices wasn't just quite right for me. But okay. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.